Have you ever wondered what makes an aircraft fly? What magic lifts these massive machines into the sky? Well, it's not magic at all. It's science and engineering. Let's start with the main components of an aircraft. The fuselage, or the main body, is where you'll find the passengers, cargo and crew. Then we have the wings, the main lifting surfaces of the aircraft. They're what generate lift to keep the aircraft aloft. At the rear of the aircraft, you'll find the tail assembly, providing stability and control. It's made up of the horizontal stabilizer, vertical stabilizer and rudder. The engines are the power plants, providing the thrust to propel the aircraft forward. And let's not forget the landing gear, those retractable wheels and struts that allow the aircraft to take off and land. The cockpit is where the pilot controls the aircraft, and there are many other important systems and parts that make up an aircraft, like flight controls, avionics, electrical system, hydraulic system, and fuel system. Now, let's talk about the principles of aerodynamics. There are four main forces at play: lift, drag, thrust, and weight. Lift is the upward force generated by the wings. Drag is the force opposing the forward motion of the aircraft. Thrust is the forward force generated by the engines, and weight is the downward force due to gravity. Then we have the angle of attack, the angle between the wing and the oncoming airflow. Adjusting this angle affects lift and drag. Control surfaces like flaps, ailerons, and rudders help control lift, drag, and direction. And the shape of the wing, or airfoil, is crucial for generating lift efficiently. Different types of flights have different considerations. In subsonic flight, the principles mentioned above apply directly. But in supersonic flight, exceeding the speed of sound, shock waves and other factors introduce additional complexities. In hypersonic flight at extremely high speeds, the aerodynamics become even more complex. In conclusion, the flight of an aircraft is a marvel of science and engineering. It involves a complex interplay of forces and principles, from the design of the aircraft and its parts to the principles of aerodynamics and the physics of flight. So next time you see an aircraft soaring in the sky, remember, it's not magic, it's science.